If you're tired of entering your Windows 11 password every single time you start your PC, this quick guide will show you how to completely remove the login screen so your computer boots straight to the desktop. It's fast, it's simple, and you only have to set it up once. Let's jump right in. First, open your Start menu and search for Settings. Once you're in, look to the left panel and click on Accounts. Inside this section, scroll down and go into Sign In options. Keep scrolling until you reach Additional Settings. Here you'll see a drop-down labeled, If you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again? Change that option to Never. Windows will ask for your current password. Go ahead and enter it to confirm the change. Next, head back to the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, paste the command I've placed in the video description. After you run it, you should see a message saying the operation completed successfully. Once you do, you can close the window. Finally, open the Start menu one more time and search for Run. In the Run box, type netpelliwiz and hit Enter. A new window will pop up with a checkbox at the top that says, Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Simply uncheck that box, click Apply, and enter your password when prompted. Hit OK to save everything. Now just restart your PC and Windows 11 will take you straight to your desktop. No login screen, no password, no extra steps. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more easy Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.